Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at certain questions of percentages. These are certain questions which have been asked previously in competitive exams and can be considered to be of good sort. So here is our first question. Raman asked Mahesh to do his assignment and he offered him rupees 900 and a t-shirt in return. The assignment required a sitting of 12 hours. Mahesh, however, worked only for 9 hours and he got 650 rupees along with the t-shirt. What we have to do is find the value of the t-shirt in rupees. This may seem like an easy question, but certain students have made follies in the question and they have gotten the answer wrong. So we'll try to see how we can avoid making certain mistakes. So prima facie, what we can do is write a first equation which would be like this. So Mahesh is getting 900 rupees and the t-shirt. For that he'll have to sit for 12 hours. Next, when we read the next statement, we'll get our next equation. I'll write 2 over here. It says that he has worked for 9 hours. We'll write the time part over here. 9 hours and he is getting 650 rupees plus the t-shirt. So this makes our equation quite simple because we have just one variable and we can easily find the answer. So what we'll do here, we'll try to subtract the second one from the first one. This gets cancelled out. 900 minus 650 is 250 and here on this right hand side we'll get 3 hours. So now we have the value of 3 hours. So for 3 hours ideally one should get 250 rupees. But we also know that the value of 9 hours is this thing, 650 plus the t-shirt. So we can easily equate these two, but for that we'll have to first multiply this equation by a factor of 3. Why 3? Because 3 times 3 is 9. So you know that 9 hours can be easily equated over here. So the result would be of after having multiplied by 3, 750 for 9 hours, right? Now you can compare this with the second equation. So we know the value of 9 hours from there, that is 650 plus the t-shirt, and that gives you 750 rupees. So from here we know that the t-shirt's value can be found out to be 750 minus 650, that is 100 rupees, and that is your option A. This question has been asked in CAT, so we should not take it lightly, and it is a good question. So the answer is 100 rupees.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.